You know,
They got in that soybean field and they were putting birds out of that soybean field like it was crazy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And they were just running ahead of them. Everything was down the field. Down. It was hard to keep them close.
Yeah, the birds yesterday were running like all over the place.
Sure, because it's raining.
You know.
Yeah.
You just couldn't.
Right.
You just couldn't get them.
Right.
I knocked the cockbird down before over there.
Right.
At that point.
Right.
I'll tell you what. I went all through there 3 times.
Oh, they just came all through there. I literally took this perimeter all the way around and then cut across.
Did you go in the woods over there?
No, I didn't go all the way over. No, I just took the perimeter. Yeah.
That's where I was just heading. I was going to head over to the woods.
Right.
Work that edge up.
And maybe you get lucky and see a grouse.
Otis. Typical male.
Is she in heat?
No.
Oh, okay.
She's 14 years old.
Oh, okay.
She really
he's not even 2 yet. He'll be 2 in January.
That's more in style.
Right. Otis, stop. Yeah, I don't blame you. Sit down.
4 years old.
All right, yeah, I'm going to go down this way.
Yeah, we definitely, there's a bird right here.
All right, we'll see if we can kick him up. Have a good day, man.
Sure.
All right, guys, let's go. On him up. Let's go. Get in there. Right. Let's go. Get in there. On him up. Get in there. On him up. Let's go. Get in there. Right. Attaboys. Good boy, Otis. Get in there. On him up. Attaboy, Cash. Get in there. Attaboys. Get in there. On him up. Attaboy, Cash. Where is he? Attaboys. Fuck. Yeah, we got him. It was a hen bird. It just sat down in the cornfield and died. On him up. Ah, shit. Really? Attaboys, on them up. That's it? What happened? What happened? You guys are right behind them. Get in there, let's go, hunt them up. Go, hunt them up. Attaboys, get in there, Cash, hunt them up. Attaboys, get in there, hunt them up. Let's go. Attaboys. up, Cash. Attaboy, Otis, hunt him up. Where is he? Attaboy, Otis, hunt him up. Attaboy, good boy. Oh, that's a good boy. Yeah, that's a good boy. All right, drop, attaboy. All right, all right, all right. Otis, stop. Attaboy, good boy, Cash. Good retrieve. Good retrieve. That's a long retrieve, man. We shot that bird all the way over on the other side of that field. Yep. Good boys. Good boys. Let's go. Hunt them up. Hunt them up, Cash. Attaboys. Good boy, Cash. Attaboy, Cash, hunt him up. Attaboy. Attaboys, hunt him up. Good boy, Cash, hunt him up.